like us cabin.
This looks like our cabin. It does kind of look like our cabin. What the heck? That's crazy.
And then that house.
And this
Paint
house.
into blue.
Just make it blue and take away the columns.
Just change the wall.
That's pretty awesome.
Right now, let's take him to the car.
What is up, beautiful people?
Guys.
We are here at the farmers market and loving every moment. It's a brilliant day outside, absolutely gorgeous.
Weather.
And this place is amazing. We absolutely love it.
Yeah,
So-
they actually have everything here at this farmer's market, including Harry Potter, so
Hello.
that's pretty exciting. he actually put these glasses on and walked around, like, among all the people and stuff.
No one knows I don't actually need glasses. So these spectacles were $1 in China last year, and
They look pretty
it's
good.
the only pair of glasses actually that I've ever kept for longer than like a day. So
It's because they're like
it's because they're so
$1.
cheap.
Yeah.
So cheap.
Because if they were
amazing.
expensive, we would have lost them by now.
But guys, look at all the stuff that we got. We've got
Yeah, we
ourselves
found some goodies
hot
today.
garlic sauce, some
Yeah,
salsa that is quite delicious,
You excited,
some
Lincoln?
peach preserves,
Yeah, those look really good. The kids are super excited about this.
apples.
Did you show
and-
them the fresh pickles?
Oh yeah, pickles. Absolutely brilliant. Fresh pickles.
Fresh pickles are the best, guys.
I love these. And this is the best part.
This
Watch
is my favorite.
We thought we were gonna have to like order this ahead of time, but we didn't.
So excited,
they have to
guys.
have a couple of extras. So there we go. We got the fresh milk
We used to buy
straight
fresh
from the udders.
Yes. So we used to buy fresh milk from like a farmer back when we lived in both Dallas and Austin, actually.
It was awesome.
And it's super fresh, and I just feel like it's better for you. Like you can just digest it easier because it's raw. And so I really, really love buying raw milk. So I was really excited to see that they had it here. But we didn't come prepared, so I need to go to Whole Foods real quickly and get like a cold bag to store it in because we want it to like last before we get home because we're actually not anywhere close to home. And the Chinese cafe that Penelope really, really loves is right around the corner. So we wanted to go get her favorite noodles before
It's
we
so
head
good,
home.
guys.
And the kids have been eating like all these yummy donuts. Guys, did you like the donuts?
Yes.
They were so good. They had all these like food trucks and stuff, which we don't normally do donuts, but this is like a special day. It's beautiful weather. We're just hanging out, enjoying the day. So I was
I
like,
feel like every video
No,
we
yeah.
do is like, we don't normally do like this
this is true.
horrible food, but we're doing it today because it's a special day. That's
We eat all the treats on camera. We actually buy like a lot of healthy food that we eat at home, like just, day in, day out. And we always do the fun stuff on camera. Then it looks probably like we eat treats all day long. But
Linky's ready for some more treats right
Linky,
now.
do you need some more?
He dropped a treat on the ground.
Oh.
There you go.
I dropped my cup. Yeah, we're thirsty.
Dang, he's
So-
plowing through that.
Yeah, we
I
want to
just
go.
lost my accent, guys.
Oh my gosh, Steven's here.
It's actually me.
Wow. Thanks for joining us.
No one would ever know. I guess I'll take these off
Did you drop it?
now. Since they're sort of fogging up.
There you go.
Guys, wearing a mask with glasses, it definitely fogs it up really quick. So
Yeah.
that's fun.
So we're gonna go head over to that really cool little Asian cafe and
Heck
get
yeah.
some of our favorite goodies too, and just enjoy the day, guys. There's like no agenda. We can just hang out and chill, and so it's really
Yeah.
nice.
I'm loving it.
That's some candies. Those are so cute. They're little egg white candies.
Theirs are gonna be good. I've tried these
What do you
before.
think? They're good?
So good. It's so good.
It's like, I think just sugar and egg whites.
It is.
You like
I
it?
made it. It's egg whites and sugar baked low for a long period of time.
Wow.
Kinda tastes
You've
like
made
a-
this before, Kara?
I have.
How did I not know this?
I was doing it whenever I was making macaroons.
Oh,
It was a
okay. So
while
this is a
ago.
while back, yeah.
Yeah. It was
That's so cool. Do you like these, Penelope?
It's soft.
Have you never,
It kind of melts in your mouth. Yeah, it's crunchy, but it melts in your mouth.
have you ever had one of these?
I don't know.
Oh.
I've had one.
You're more of a savory
Another
person.
person who like super loves sweet stuff.
Yeah.
Like donut, I totally cannot eat that. It's so sweet.
Yeah, you like savory
And-
stuff, like noodles and that
Like
kind
a
of stuff.
normal.
You made it! Minky! You ready to get out? We're home. He's so excited. Somebody's happy. So we've had a good day.
Somebody I need to go good night night. Good night night.
You don't even know their name. That means,
I know.
Basically means like grandma.
Grandma.
But he does like, hey, you need to go sleep like tonight.
Yeah, go night night. He thinks good night night means go night night.
It's so funny, like somebody say, hey, good night night, how are you doing? And Lincoln's like, oh crap, did I need to go sleep?
It's really funny because Penelope said this multiple times to him. She'll say good night night, and Lincoln immediately goes, and it's because I think it sounds like go night night.
You don't even know that mean.
That's so funny. Hi, Frankie.
He came right up,
so
and just jumped into my arms, and I said, "Okay,
Yeah.
let's do this thing."
You're like, you're
I can
worth the
deal with the
allergies.
sneezing,
Yeah, we
deal with
love
the itchy
you.
throat. I can already feel my throat kind of closing out.
No.
It's okay. It's worth it.
And here's Mr. Georgie.
Mr. George.
Hey, you want to hear something funny? His birthday's right the day before mine.
It is. Oh yeah.
Everybody
It's got a
has a
Here's
pooper. That's why
Sable.
we invited you, Party Pooper. George Banks.
Oh my gosh. He like tolerated that so well. He's just like, yeah, this is my life.
Guys, we are back home now and just taking all the goodies inside. But I just unveiled the smoker here because I bought a brisket and I am so excited. I've made one brisket in my life and it was an utter disaster.
I don't remember it.
So, well, it was horrible. I had a lot of guys over and I made this huge brisket and I was trying to rush it and it just ended up being really, really tough. I was trying to cook it like a normal piece of meat. Cooked it way too hot.
He's like, I've got to give you a hug right now.
It was so bad, guys. I had a bunch of guys over and they were all hungry and I didn't realize how long it takes to cook a brisket, so I was just trying to cook it like a normal piece of meat and it was tough and burned and horrible. So I've been doing my research and watching a whole bunch of videos. Meat Church has a really good video up. A guy named Aaron Franklin from Franklin's Barbecue in Austin has one, and so I've just been kind of trying to study up on how to do a brisket the right way, and I'm going to do it over 24 hours, which is going to be awesome. So
And this
time
is like
tomorrow,
a smoker,
this is
too.
a smoker. I'm going to do it at 195 degrees. I'm going to cook it overnight, and in the morning I'm going to wrap it in butcher paper, and it'll go until we get home from church.
Amazing.
And it's going to be so good. I really hope it's good. I really hope it's good. It's going to really suck if it's not good.
It's gonna be good. The kids and I are very much going to enjoy it.
I'm excited. I haven't really had a lot of food in the last few days because I did a water fast, and then I've been building back up to a normal diet after that again.
Can I just say, and I know a lot of you guys have commented this, but Steven is looking so good. He's been working so incredibly hard, and I'm just so proud of you, babe. Like, literally so proud of you. And every time I look at this man, I'm like, you look so good. I have to say that. I've made him blush a few times, which is really hard to do. In our entire marriage, you've only blushed a few times, but boy, you're looking good.
The feeling is 100% mutual.
Yeah.
Okay, he is grabbing.
Lincoln's like climbing up you. Lincoln! He's like, yeah, Dad, you're working hard.
So, anyway, I'm gonna kind of just trim up the brisket now and throw it on, and maybe I'll take you guys behind the scenes.
Fun.
The opening part of making a brisket anyway. So.
I might actually go take a nap, which I don't want to because it's such a beautiful day,
It
but
is
I
so
woke
beautiful.
up so early this morning, guys, and I couldn't fall back asleep, which almost never happens for me, but it
You
happened
were
this
up
morning.
so early,
It
and I
was
was
like
like, who
3
are
hours
you?
before. I was like, I can't fall back asleep.
Yeah.
I don't know. My mind was going and I just couldn't like.
Yeah.
So anyways, I'm like, I need a nap. So I don't know. I'm debating because the nap's glorious, but so is this day. So I don't want to miss
You
it.
should just nap outside. And then you get
that's
the
true.
best of both worlds.
That's true. That would be pretty awesome. I don't know if I could nap with all the kids running around like.
You have to tell them to go inside.
No.
This is my backyard. Y'all go in.
No, on the weekend.
Okay. That's awesome. I love you.
It's called the John Travolta.
The John Travolta.
That's all I have so far.
When he has those scars.
So close.
Nice, Liam. Did you find your book? Yeah, I said this is my favorite. We got a potty training book for Lincoln to try to encourage him, but he just likes the buttons and the sounds and music. Yeah. That was good. Well done, Jude.
Oh, I can do that too.
You want to put some skates on and do it too? It's a new kind of basketball. Skating, wall basketball, hooping, whatever.
I love basketball.
Basketball.
I
Well,
never like when I first got home. I really liked baseball,
baseball, yeah.
and now I changed to basketball.
Yeah, you're really good at basketball.
It can be fun.
It is fun, yeah. And you're really, really good at it.
Try it.
You want me to try it?
Yeah, sure. You
Okay.
told me before. You said you was on the basketball team.
I was on the basketball team in middle school. I did pretty well, but it's been a long time.
You try.
Okay.
So, you don't want to jump. Let's do far away.
Far away, I'm not
You
good
can
at
do
that.
that. You can do that.
Woo! There you go.
Alright, I'm gonna hit you home.
Whoa! It's out. Say good job. Yeah, it went really far. Whoa! That's how you slide when you don't want to have grass stains, huh?
Oh,
Wow,
I
guys.
want to try that. Now we gotta
You
go
guys make a
punch
good team. And so it begins.
Getting her cleaned off.
She's a beaut, Clark. Really is a good looking girl, though.
It really is.
Lincoln, does that look cool? He says, I'm gonna help you, Daddy. Especially when it's time to eat it.
Sounds good.
Well,
What happened?
that I hit, you know, it's not when after you go through the woods, there's a clear area, and I hit it there.
You hit the ball
Yeah, we had
past
to
the
go
woods?
all the way through the woods.
Oh my goodness. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Who else sat on top of their car as a team?
That's high. That's high.
I definitely did.
That's high.
Now I'm like,
It's
why
like
did
so
I do
far.
that? Okay, wait a minute. You need to be careful up there, okay?
Oh, that feels good. Because that's burning my
Get
hand.
nice and warm up there.
It's like them sitting on your shoulder.
Did you find a snacky? Yes, you did. He's like, we got some groceries and I'm ready to eat them. Okay, Lincoln, what do you say? More. Good job. Oh, hey, how's it going?
Hi, welcome to Penny Shop. Here we got some flour. $10 million.
You're selling things out your window.
And then this is a great. Hey, do you like some? What do you want? I have everything. I have everything you want.
What do you want to buy from her, Jude?
Can I have the fantasy?
Yes.
See ya!
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.